The other way from there, and not to the wall.
I didn't invite him to go. I was going to go. This was my time, and I had told him I was going to go get my hair done, and it was going to take probably, I said about an hour, hour and a half. Yes, I did say that.
6 hours.
He asked, well, can I go? Can I go with you? I said, well, if you want to go, that's fine. Okay, so we get over to my cousin's house, and she got to talking and everything, and she got to do my hair, and it took her a little bit more time than it was.
Okay, now, Mrs. Brown, first of all, I have to disagree with you. I know this is a black thing, but we women, when we go to the hairdresser, you talk about an hour and a half at any black hairdressers, and you knew that. So don't go there. You knew it wasn't going to take